Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Apostle Alfred Uyinosa, the man where they talk am as e be, say we don't today used to commissioning things for Africa. The reason why Apostle Alfred Uyinosa bring this matter come here today, come talk, now because of some people wey say they no dey see the Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki, the commission project wey e don complete. Make I leave you, make you hear from Apostle Alfred Uyinosa. Enjoy the video.
Hello, my dearly beloved brothers and sisters. On a good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depending on the location, you for the connect with me this morning. Edo, they move forward. And inside Edo, they move forward. A lot of things still they go on. When they be say we would also need to put mouth to see how we fit to help the government of the day, help ourselves, and to ensure that we get the right information about our state, about our country, and about our environment. Yes, Nigeria, we dey used to commissioning a project. When it be say if you build toilet, commissioner. If you seek borehole, commissioner. If you arrange bridge, take put for wood, arrange wood, take cross water, commissioner. Over time, we for Africa, we don't dey used to project commissioning. So when they don't see any project where you commission, so they assume say you know the work. And this has been the system for years. Now in a developed country, you go wake up, you see say they don't do work. You go dey ask yourself when they take do one, they're not commissioner because they know say now they are right to do this thing for the people. But for Africa, we dey used to project commissioning. So if you not commission any project, people will assume say you know they do anything. But I also do research say for a developed country, they know they commission projects. You will just wake up, you say they don't do road. You go work, you will come back, you say waiting did that road, it don't change. Now so it's supposed to be, for now so it be for a developed country. But for Africa, we dey used to project commissioning. Now that style, now Governor Obaseki put for ground when he be say, you know the commission project and he just the work. You know they commission anything. So you don't know whether they work or whether not they work or why, because now the Western world style. Now it be that. When it be say, things they work. You just wake up say things they change. That's why we call them wake and see. You wake up to see development. How did it happen? You don't even know. Even when my time when they ask you, you mean say this man they work for this area, this man they work for this area, and they work for this area. Now wow, but people don't know. People don't get information. So that's the reason why we also they call up on the state government. Make the state set up the media team. When they go, they help they showcase the work when the state they do. Anything when they do, make the show and make people they share. Why? Because we don't they used to run for Africa. We don't they used to project commissioning. So if you your P for grant, commissioner. If you speak, commissioner, then people will know say you they active. People will know say you they do something. If you pack small pure water for road, commissioner, may they know say you pack pure water dirty for road. But come to think of it, in a developed country, is it like that? No. Is it like that in a developed country? No. No be sure it be for developed country. Developed country, you wake up, say things they change. Now, when I hear people they complain, Obaseki never commission one project, it not they work, my brother. You don't need to complain. All you need to do, just carry your camera, move around the city. Or maybe you there abroad. You know they see what your Obaseki they commission for here. Just employ somebody. Say, I beg, take phone. Go they move around Benin. They show us what your Obaseki don't do or what you never do. Make we know. Not be say you lie down for your bed or abroad. You they shout. Obaseki not commission anything for 20 years now. 4 years ago, 5 years now. Obaseki never commission anything. You no need to lie down for abroad for bed, they shout. If you know so you never say anything we don't do, may you go to what they call investigative journalism. Still pay people, may they go investigate. oh, men are go check this area. Now when they come back, they tell you, not in the ground, then you will feel shot. Not be say you there abroad, you lie down for share room, you dey from there they shot. You commission one project. They are abroad where you dey. How many times they Oyibo don commission project? They are abroad where you dey. How many times you see Oyibo they call the court tape, say they do one road to call the court tape? No, because not their responsibility. And at that thing, now they try to introduce it to our system. But for our system now, we don't they used to project commissioning. That's why some of us carry out for contract, say we go they move around, we they show people they work when the governor they do. Not be say the governor play us, no now. Not be say we they pay off anybody, no now. We just they do it because of the love for the Edo people. Because Edo people really need to know what they happen on ground. But the governor of the day, he not they used to eye service. He not they used to all this it speak for grant commission, he do road commission. Now in Africa, we need to change our mentality. When I know if anything they wrong for this state, good or bad, I will talk am. I don't they look anybody face. Be who you be. If the governor they not do well for this, I say governor not do well. Now so my life be. Talk am as they be. So on this grant, those of them when they complain, somebody can never commission project. Why complain? Set up a investigative journalism. May they come move around the 36 local government. If one new project day or no project at all. Now when you don't see any of those projects, then you can go on social media to begin to make noise. If you never do that one, you there abroad, you lie down for your bed, you they shout, say, Obasa can never commission one project, which means something is wrong with you. Because you know the grant. If you want to know whether Obaseki they work, go Apostle Alfred timeline, go scroll down, then you go see say Apostle Alfred, they show the work what governor they do. Governor they pay me. I know the government payroll, no. I just they do why because I want to make Edo people see what they happen for grant because the governor of the day, he know they used to showing what they do. Now, look at the year, Benin Technical College. When I not say work they go on there, no. Nobody know that work they go on. They just assume say maybe in a campaign they don't end. No, I still carry my camera and go. Nobody send me. Nobody send me. Nobody send me. But I see there. I see say this work they go on for this place. People don't know. Now I see video. Say Technical College, Government Science Technical College, formerly known as Benin Technical College. Work they go on. Now I see show. So everybody sees and say now true things they go on for here. Wait, Central Park. Nobody knows say work they go on for Central Park because Obaseki not make noise one day. Now I still carry my camera go. Make Edo people see what governor they do. And so many work, even this morning, a girl where we drive past, I see try to the work. I say, now what? Did they work for this road? And nobody know. If not because where they go, they urgent. I for park, video run, make una see work where they go on. So my advice to una when they complain, not complain too much. You just send somebody say, I beg, I want pay some money to your account. Go buy phone. Move around the state. Go show us where government they work and where not they work. Make we know how they talk. You don't do that one. You they shout. You they say where they 4 people. They know they talk something. My brother, go reason well. Oh. May they go reason well. When I go reason well. Abroad, you don't see the commission one project for abroad. No. See this thing, TV road. Will come out for a Kewa road. Obasa cannot commissioner. Either they won't finish motor they pass. Area the road, my brother. Area the road go come out for Pasak Moba. I shock. I say, you miss this my work. He not commissioner. He not commissioner. And they don't do that road. PZ road. He not commissioner. And now let people in that area. Now go fit tell say, we don't understand. It get why they now for Night Road. After they talk to you now, they work for the place. But nobody they make noise. So that's why some of us say, no, we don't fit there at those stage. People think if the governor don't get the social media IQ to the announce himself, we go help and announce what they do. That one are the contract we will carry. So that make Edo people they see what governor they do. But make una know say Obaseki in the operate a one man mentality. Because he knows say for naturally for abroad, wake up and see things moving on. Even some of the way they sharp men they bed, Obaseki never commission project. They abroad where you day. You don't see say the government commission wants you one day. No. But you just wake up, things just they walk away. You just wake up, things they flow. Now those kind of mentality, Obaseki they try to change. What they do so nobody send me, but I just feel say it good make with the talk am as they be. Even me, I don't complain. Oga, you commission things now. But I discovered say that will not be Obaseki lifestyle. Obaseki lifestyle to just the work. At the end of the day, let the people see it. But they pay me say the area where Obaseki they work, people know they really come out to talk am. Thank you. Even across the road. You know, commissioner. I drive go and Kosode last week Sunday. Which happened? This Sunday, my brother, inside the Kosode, you don't tie everywhere. I say, this one not commissioner. If not lie, today I go drive go and Kosode. I don't say I don't do a Kosode broke out that tire. If not teacher they lie, I will drive go and Kosode. I'll go video all the road where they don't tie but say Kosode. Where people say no commission. Where people say no commission. Now there's another road opposite before you reach Winner Chapel. One road where if you some former day down, it tie the road, you know, commissioner. We're like, but they pay me say people who did that area. Now they're supposed to let the people know say walk, they go on for their area. But the heart of man is desperately wicked. And deceitful who can find. The heart of man is wicked. So, my people, any area should the government they work. Yes, now their responsibility. Show them, snap them. Governor they work for our area. They do well. Testa Miro, who don't they share saying work is going on in your back quarter and the rest. Why the people for that never contact tell you what say government is working away there? No, I don't care attitude. I don't care. As many they talk should have walk they go for Testament Road. But you know they talk. And those people make we wake up. No wake up. Anyway, she say government for the work. Go to the work for my area. It ended. What about God bless you, my brother? Peace Road. It's not commissioner. But people they fly that road. Then Amagba Road. Amagba Road. Did they commission it? No. Obagi, the road from Airport Road. Iriri. Obagi Newosa. That road was never commissioned. But the people in that area, they not benefiting from the road. And that road, now it goes straight to Industrial Park. And I say, what? And this man is not talking. So, make we see how we will feel they talk as they be. So that all those my people will say you like that for bed for abroad, they shout, Obaseki cannot commission one project, my brother, come Nigeria. If you see say Obaseki cannot do one project, come Nigeria. Carry your camera, move round. Anyway, no say no work, move round. Down to days I bet they shout Obaseki cannot commission project. Abroad where you did, they don't commission one project for that. They don't commission one project. You don't wake up say they commission one project. Then you open your dirty mouth, they shout for there. You open your dirty mouth, they shout for there. Come Nigeria. Come Edo State. So, why am I doing this? I am standing for the interest of the people. And to let the people know what is going on in my state. If Obaseki begin a commission on the project, you now know how much to the commissioning. To bring Buhari from Abuja to come commission one road, you teach in a tenera. To bring a houseboy, Shibajo come Edo State, make a commission Cadbury, you know how many million? To gather all the stakeholders to see me the commission road, don't you know how many millions to pay those people? Now, I want to make you know, say, Obaseki a prudent man. You know what they spend because man will fee akagom. Obaseki na akagom. He money no dey fall. He believe say anything he want give you, you work for him. That's why people they complain say he money no dey church gun. Na akagom. Obaseki na akagom. Na akagom. He money no dey fall because he knows if he give you 1 naira, you deserve that 1 naira. It is that one error. It is that one error. So now should take work, he pay you. So that's why some of us we know they complain. We know because we see the work where they do. Do you know how many billions of naira they do in industrial park and other projects we know they talk? That's what I mean. I will say, Obaseki, I beg. People they say they don't see your project. Where your media team, gather all your media team, quick appoint your commissioner. Make them begin to show up, tell that what they do. Soccer wheel, borehole, anything the commissioner, make people know see they work. But is that the extent of governance? No. What about the new secretariat? Did he commission the new secretariat? No. Make it be say na Oshomole regime they need a new secretariat. My brother, they go now every day ITV go dey show am. Every day EBS, every day Channel TV go dey show am. AIT every day. But the man say no. Why will I spend money on adverts? Let the people say I realize that if they not mean the rest. Mean the rest. That's why some of us they take out as pain to the move round. Nobody send us so. Nobody send me. That's why we take the pain. Since we discover say this man ain't not ready to spend money for anything, no. But we go help him. That's why we they move around. They show people. They show people work we don't do. If you need update on Obaseki work, my brother, go Apostle Alfred War. You go see everything for there. So why you complain? Say for 5 years, you never see one project Obaseki commission. Even as we dey talk now, God bless you. Work is going in Ogiso. Work they go for Ogiso. Work they go for Edvotubu. Work they go for Ekewa. But then they make noise. As they work for this area, now so they see they work for Uromi. Now so they work for Isha. Now so they work for Ekpoma. Now so they work for Auchi. They work for every corner. But then they make noise. Make us so shock now. He get this road for after my 18. If you dey go Okada. That road, my brother, Ulakpa, that road they go Ulakpa. That road long. That road long. The question I'm going to ask, why Organo commission this road? Obaseki is not used to commissioning. Because a waste of fund to the commission. Because the commission teaching and tenera. All the people you gather that the teacher you go just say, now where then you come cut tape, now lie. Now lie, you will pay heavily for it. So for them to use 2 million naira to take commission one project, you go cook money that 2 million and go find work where you want and do. You go find one work where you want and do. So my brother, you know if you judge a man because you never commission one project we never see. If you say you never see one project, invite people. May they go the commission, may they go the look at the road they do. And that one will be the best. Instead of lying down on your bed, you are making noise. Obaseki never commission one project. Come Nigeria. Come Edo State. After you don't take vaccine, after they don't use you take COVID-19 paper for 1 week, your eye go clear, then you know what you go through for Nigeria. So, nobody appoint me commissioner of media. No. I love what the man is doing. Since the man cannot move around, we will continue to do that. Beneath Technical College Road, my brother, if you come there next week, you will shock. You know why? Men and material, they don't come sight. But the question people would ask, this man they work, he's silently working. Silently working. So that's the reason why everybody we must learn to appreciate things. Waiting you don't feel do. If you see people they do, appreciate them. Appreciate them. Waiting you don't feel do. And you see person when they do them, appreciate the person. All this small project, work what Obaseki don't do. If now Oshomole regime, we know hear word for this state. We know hear word for this state. We know hear word. Only that secretariat building where Obaseki do. See now Oshomole and I do one. My brother, we don't hear word for this Benin. How you want it? The whole country go to carry on. Now, the central hospital, that container where Oshomole built, where Grandpa Bubu come commission, he not reach half of that secretariat where Obaseki do. He not reach half. Tell friend treat you this boyfriend. That central hospital where that container where someone they build, we're not equipped, where Bishop Bateki can work on again. It not reach half of that new secretariat where Obaseki do. But yet, you not carry one president come. You not carry vice president come. You not carry House of Rep member come. May they come commissioner. No. Because now waste of resources. Even Ogbe Stadium, billions of naira enter that Ogbe Stadium to change that Ogbe Stadium. Go and check. Did they commission? No. Now, like when you yourself enter stadium, you say, this man work for you. And funny enough, all the roadway connect stadium now, they are doing it. They do and they go. All the roadway just connect stadium. I was not told. I saw it with my two naked eyes. Make no worry. I will carry my bicycle, go Stadium Road. I will carry my bicycle, go there with my camera. I'll go do live streaming. When I go see the road, we don't do around stadium. But you know, commissioner. So my brother, Nigeria, we are too used to commissioning a project. That's the reason why that boy they call Desmond Idiots. That's why Desmond Idiots arrange wood, take cross canal, a commissioner because I want you to want to see. Because I want you to want to see. When I want to see commission project now. So that's why Desmond Idiots arrange two plank, take cross canal, a collar and bridge. What happen? A commissioner. As you come in and they complain, say, why will Desmond Idiot commission bridge? Now which one I want to see be that? Now which one I want to see be that? Now which one want to be that? Even the new observer, God bless you, Ogadidi. When I move past there yesterday, I say, with this man, I beg. Obaseki too much. Do you know why they are paid? Do you know why I respect Obaseki? If they try to change the narrative, we are too used to old way of doing things. So in they try to change that old mentality so that everybody would know say do the right thing. Nobody appoint me as media team to anybody, but I discover the weak point of the governor. What the weak point? The weak may be say he not get time to spend money on adverts. So if you do they leave and come out. No, they see now empty drum that they make noise. Now even the stormwater project, my brother, if you see the stormwater project, when this man they do, it will shock you. Yet, Oshomole collect according to Clem Agba, he collect it's in a 22 billion naira, but yet zero. But go and look how much this man is spending. Go and look how much he's spending. So, my people, when I don't listen to all those jobless people who go lie down for bed, they shout about saying not commission project for 5 years. Bros, come Nigeria. Me consider one work commissioner if he easy. Come Nigeria, come commission project. Our brother, you do so, you did bed. You never hear say government commission one road. You wake up, you say they turn new road. That's people who think. Because we are used to commissioning a project in Nigeria, so that's why they can commission able. Go St. Savior. Did Obaseki commission St. Savior Road? No. He did not commission St. Savior Road. But the people in St. Savior are the ones supposed to help the government of the day by telling the world that the governor have done St. Savior Road. I don't know why we wicked like this. Imagine I meet this St. Savior. Now every day we do broadcast. They don't do this show for us, so una no go talk. Una go hide in a camera. Una go throw on a phone. Una not see them. I don't care. So anywhere government they work, the people for that area supposed to they help the government. They tell the people what they do for that area. Now they bring out your phone, showcase what he's doing. Showcase what he's doing. But in the area, government is working, you phone down, it not concern me. If government they work for your area, you not talk, and you allow the people they accuse the government say not work for your area, now you say that God will punish you. You say that God will punish you. You say that God will punish you. Say government work for your area, and you know say government I work for your area, and people they accuse the same governor say not do anything for your area, you can't keep quiet. You know say that God will punish you. See, make me Tell friend, see, tell friend truth, you know they spoil friend. You know say me, I know they talk how much they be. But me, I don't vow. If na my last couple, I go there and put fuel for motor, move round, they show the work we government they do. Since he not get the capacity to show the work, we will show him. I know how much we spend during campaign to take show people work, to show people the work we government do. And I know what thing I go through, and I know what people talk. I know the phone call when I receive. So make I even stop to the show government work. Make I stop. I'm telling you, I don't receive phone call. Say stop showing the governor work. People shouldn't see what he's doing. But I said no. I will continue to do it. And I hold no man apology. After all, nobody appoints me. I'm doing it because I am led. See, anything you see me do in this administration, showcasing Obaseki work. Now, what you got to make I do with that, oh? Now, what you see, now the assignment we go, you give me with that, you they do so. And I hold no man apology. Then they do, you go see me say, are there Airport Road, are there Kewa Road, are there everywhere, they show you work. Do you know how much for subscription for 1 hour? You know how much? You know how much? Live 1 hour to showcase Obaseki. Do you see that joke? I derive joy in doing it. I derive joy in doing it. Joy. I'm happy. Remember the Bible says, those that know what is good and do what is not, to them is a sin. You will know what they good. You know great do and now sin they commit. Sin and they commit. You are committing a big sin. So everybody, let's wake up. People where they are Kewa Road, how many times they don't do broadcast? To say, governor have started working away there. They won't say anything. They won't say anything. Make the work stop now. Hey, everybody will bring out camera, come on. Hey, work don't stop. Oh, government is not working. Oh, hey, la, la. Now when government don't start work, why you not bring your camera, come out to go show, say government they work for that area? You know, let one do. Wicked people. Wicked people. Wicked people. So me, I don't think I'm as contract. I tell you now after the during the election, say me, even after the election, I go see the move around the show Obaseki work. And I go continue. It not get what anybody will do. If you like you vest, go buy Vespa one hand. Now your business. That's your business. I owe you no apology. But I derive joy. You know why? A lot of our people still they blind. So we need to open their eyes. We need to open their eyes. If governor begin making spend money for commissioning of projects, my brother, workers go begin to complain, say, yeah, my go no salary. No salary. Workers go to complain, no salary. I've been at Abudu, you want go? The new College of Education. Go check them. Go and see the work the governor did in Abudu. So, my governor, please set up your media team. I don't say make you appoint me. I don't say make you appoint me. I just did my own lane. I've been one man squad. But set up your media team so that your media team can actually go out there to showcase what you are doing because people want to see what you are doing. Period. Set up your media team. Let them enter the street. Let them give us the update. We must continue to tell ourselves the truth. Let us begin to tell ourselves the truth. If any project they go on for your area, show them. No be to spread bad news. You they come on. About that cannot work for you. But when he walk, you talk. No. Some people are just like that. When things are rosy, you will never talk. You never talk. But when things are bad, hey, you begin the news go fly. The news go fly. So my brother, me, Obaseki matter, I put them for my head, I put them for my shoulder, I put them for my body. So that make people they see what they do. And then they do because I need appointment. I'm not a jobless man. I'm not jobless at all. Obama gberame, Obama gbijeme iwa oja. I'm not a jobless man. I have a job. I have a job. But I must still create time to take showcase Obaseki work. My diaspora city, the work is going on. Everybody know, but I'm doing my thing. Why? Because I just want the people to see what the government is doing. I just want to. If you go Ted Junction now, Obaseki is building a motor park. I'll go do broadcast for now. I'll go there. For Ted Junction now, Obaseki they build a motor park. So the people for that area, why they never show say Obaseki is building a motor park here? No, they won't show it. Now to the shout, oh, yeah, Michael Bono, hey, Michael Bono, hey, this you know, hey, that one. No. But when the man do good, talk and say do good. Stop focusing on the error part of a man. Everybody are entitled to their own opinion. I'm entitled to my own opinion. But my opinion will never kill me. And my opinion will never kill me. I just love the style of Obaseki. Well, because we are too used to doing things old way. We are used to it. Old way mentality. We are used to it. But I like the new innovation what Obaseki they bring into the system. Before the 28th, work at the 25th, civil servant of the state don't receive their salary. So, even federal government can't even boast of doing it. Can't even boast of doing it. Can't even boast of doing it. Just can't doing it. So, me, I have volunteered myself. Not be today. I will continue to move around to showcase Obaseki job. And I hold no man apology. All those things as me say I do election. I didn't do it because I want one person to like me. No, I did it because God said go ahead. And after the election, God said continue. That's why I continue. If God said tell me say son stop. If I got to make my stop because people need to see what the government is doing. God never tell me make I stop. That's why I will continue to show the work we do. I know the risk we take to enter some area to show the work of governor. Obage, what a governor do. No network for that. If not, I will do live broadcast from that place. Make you not see the road. If no, I don't video the road. I'll put them for my profile later. Yeah, I don't video the road. I will put them for my profile. Obage Nebosa. Direct from Iriri. From Airport Road, Iriri down. And Obage will go come out for industrial park. My brother, we tell ourselves the truth. No network there. I videoed, I will upload and I will share. I will do it today. I will upload that. I still have the video, I still get them here. All those things, I record them down. Long times. Now the road what Obaseki do, now make land call the jail for that area. Now that road make people call the road the good area. Now that road make the community youth call the race shoulder. Because the road is tight. But it not make noise. What about Amagba Road? 8 years of Oshomole, he not touch Amagba. He say Amagba is a big man area. No be that side Alaji native Dr. Yamude. Why not do the road? Obaseki did that road. No, it not make noise. So the people from Agba, when I supposed go do broadcast, so people say yes, this road has been commissioned and delivered. Obaseki does not depend. It not depend on. It not they do commissioning. If you like, you see. If you not see, na your business. But make we tell ourselves the truth. I love Obaseki as a man, not because he's giving me money every month. No. Or I never meet Obaseki one-on-one. No. I never stand one-on-one. I'm only doing what God asked me to do, and I'm proud of it. I'm so happy doing it. And I will continue to defend the interest of the governor of the day. I will. Talk him as it be. Talk him as it be. I will continue to defend him. And if I say anything with it wrong, I will still talk him. Una know me. I will still talk and say, Pa, here no good. That's me for you. But people should stop hiding. Oh, he never do one work. He never do one work. My brother, forget. Nigeria politicians used to project commissioning. But Obaseki said, no. All the work Obaseki don't do. If now Shomole, my brother, for no hear word. They for no let us hear word. They for not Oshimole for not let us hear word. Oshimole for not let us hear word. Every day they go dey come. Every day go dey jump enter gutter like frog. Every day go dey jump enter gutter like frog. The strong water project. And now see the way Oshimole dey jump enter well strong water project like frog. You jump enter inside. You go by whole hammer. You go dey knock. So you see the man. You know to the where bubu yeah. Oh bubu yeah. Oh bubu yeah. But this man does not see. May I tell you, Obaseki does not believe in high service. May high service, meaning I love you, man. No. Obaseki is working because he knows in a duty to work. Whether people appreciate him, Obaseki between God, I have come to play my part. And he's playing it very well. So why, if you're not commission, we they complain. You there, bro, they complain. We were there, we know they complain. You there, bro, they complain. My brother, if you complain, you will tire. If you teach you don't tire, you want to share it, come to Nigeria. Yeah? Come Nigeria. By the time airport official use your eye take go to COVID-19 test, then you will advise yourself, say, my brother, people in Nigeria, they try. They try. So, Obaseki does not believe in propaganda. No. Doesn't believe in it. And Obaseki does not do things because he want to gain the praise of the people, cheap popularity. No. He knows he right. He knows the people elect him to do work. And if they do them, they make noise. Make it be other governor. They don't let us hear word. They don't let us hear word. Siloko road where our guys some say where the way they shout, they jump, in don't come in. Obaseki they reconstruct the road now. No, never know. If they retire Siloko road now, may they talk so. They retire again. So there are people who knows, he knows their onion. And you where they complain Obaseki never commission one project. How many projects you don't build commission by yourself? You never build lay foundation yourself to say one commissioner. Or maybe if you marry build one hotel for Benin now no let person hear what. Now they make noise. I give my amen. One let person hear what. So my people, me I go to talk am as it be. Or the talk am as it be. So if you want to see project commissioning, no worry. Me with my team, God's Time Innovation, we will buy tape, we will reborn, we will time for the road with the commissioner. If not that one I want to show, we will do one for now. Now yes, so all the road where the governor don't do. Won't be so now one they see. Nobody will carry bone for road. Will they cut them for now? Will the commissioner for now? Now yes, so will the commissioner for now? Will the commissioner for now? Now yeah, since now commissioning project I want they see. Will they tie rope? Me, I will tie rope. I will the tie road. I will tie rope put. Dada, abeg, no one for this side. No one for this side. So, me, I don't for the time myself. Oh, any way governor don't do, I'll go tie ribbon put. I'll tie ribbon. I'll cut them. So I'm gonna no be commissioner the fine. What the commissioner for now? If not that commissioner, what the commissioner for now? My yeah, the commissioner for now. So, my people, so far so good. Edo is moving forward. And you not get what anybody want to do. What made you? What made you? If Obaseki matter, carry me go area command. Say because I can pay for that. The same matter, carry me go court. And now, you can't say, because say Obaseki matter, carry me go court. Me, I know they talk about that again. I'll come again to speak against them. My brother, you dive Rocco. If Obaseki matter carry me go court today, April, next month now, they don't adjourn the matter till April 14. You know, concern me. Now, Edo people now fight for. What I did is for Edo people, not be for Obaseki. So, I will continue to talk. So, April 14, I will meet for court. You know why? If standing for the truth will make me stand alone, so be it. And I hold no man apology. How many of you now, if you can't tell me now for abroad, see, you can pay for Baseki, they carry you go court. Not they. Because we did the tedious job. So some of my brokers that saved this state to the glory of God. 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 Yeah, I just returned from Nigeria, those states. I reserve my comment. Please say what you saw, not be to reserve. No, not reserve comment. Just tell the whole world, right hand. This area, the government is not working. This area is working. You don't need to reserve comment now. No. What you saw, talk calm. This area, the government not try. Talk calm. Don't be to reserve comment. And Mr. Frank. And you come to Nigeria, you come to those states, Mr. Frank, Abiola, you don't look for me. And you say, be my friend. You don't look for me. Even if not chinchin, you will buy for still share or granite, what is share? You come, you never say, okay, let me look for Apostle Alfred. At least, if not granite, what is share? I'm not happy with you. Mr. Frank, I'm not happy with you. Well, I get choice. It is well. Yeah, so far so good. The governor is trying. But we just want him to try more. All right. Apology accepted. Mr. Frank, apology accepted. Apology accepted. But meanwhile, I'll send you my account number, Sha. If apology accepted, I will send you my account number. So that will be part of your, should I say punishment? No, assignment when I'll give you. I'll send you my account number and make you still, make you do the needful. Apology accepted though, but you'll still pay small. So far so good. Let's continue to do the right thing. Yes, I know. Anyway, on our page, I know. So I know. So I will continue to do the right thing. I will continue to speak. I will continue to defend the governor of the day. If nobody stand with me for this court matter, it don't bother me. After all, that fight now for those people. And I thank God that broker saved the state. And I thank God that brokers saved Edo State from disaster. I thank God for it. Even if I'm suffering it doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Every court sitting, I know how much. I know how much. Every court sitting to a lawyer is 10,000. Naturally, that was supposed to discourage me for every occasion about security work. But I don't let her discourage me. And I thank God for the wife who God blessed me with. She's a strong encourager. Only continue keep doing what you are doing. Maybe now one kind of bad wife I marry. Now if for don't use me to shatire. Go say, hey, my husband, you they see the show Baseki work. When the bitch said they carry you go come because of Baseki, nobody answer you. You see the show work, but no, she's not like that. She keep encouraging me, honey. This your assignment. Go ahead. Go ahead. Everybody cannot be in everywhere, but you just keep doing what you are doing. And you can't make I can't stop suddenly because I get case for court because of Baseki matter. Now, lie, my brother. Case go there, natural death. Now, let time you go take. Now, let money go key. Now, let money go key. If they pay me, yeah, of course. At the verse, yes. Will I allow that to stop what I'm doing? No. Will I allow that to stop me from showing a Baseki job? No. Any fight when I fight for Edo people. And I'll continue to fight for the Edo people. And every word when they talk, when they take note of them. Anybody where they use him money, they sponsor problem of this state. You will use your hand sponsor waiting will destroy them, destroy generation. Period. I have a been ayo. Don't need call a put. Period. So far so good. Let's see how we can continue to help the government of the day. Any area government is working, let the people know he's working. Don't just keep quiet. Don't keep quiet. Showcase his job, announce his job, and move on. And move on. Let's do the right thing. Let's do the right thing. Well, this one are the message when I say I want to drop this afternoon. Edo is moving forward. Make we see how we fit help ourselves to ensure that things go well for our state. And for my invite to those people, they lie down for their bed for abroad, they make noise. So Obaseki can never do one project, commission one project. I beg my brother, you don't need to complain. All you need to hire people, give them money, pay them, even a more to buy for them. Maybe they move around the state, maybe they show work, what Obaseki don't do or the one we not do. Go make it work we don't do. Just buy data, buy motor, give them fuel, subscribe. Maybe they move around the state. Say, I be wanna move around though. Obaseki, we Obaseki no work. When they show us, show me, I want to share. Rule don't do. That's fair judgment. Maybe to let down for your bed. You are talking. There's no road. Obaseki cannot commission project. Shh, forget that thing. Forget that thing. So, my people, I know God is going to grant us victory over that court matter. I know. Now time it will take. But I know God is going to grant us victory. And I will never be discouraged. I will continue to fight for the good and for the interest of our state. Obaseki is a silent achiever. He's a silent achiever. Let us move around. Let us encourage him. Let us encourage ourselves. In doing this, things will move on. Yes, Mr. Eda. Yes, it is true that some student and teacher was kidnapped in Uromi. It is true. It is true, sir. Very, very correct. So that's why all hands must be on deck. All hands must be on deck. Let us see what we can do to salvage the situation. Tell friend truth, you know they spoil friend. But today, truth they spoil friend. Truth they spoil so many friends because they don't want to hear them because of envy and jealousy. I want to assure you people today, I, Apostle Alfred Uyinosa, will continue to move around town to showcase the work of the governor. Live broadcast, not be video, not be edited video. No, live broadcast. Now we see him live broadcast. Live broadcast on the project. Even the Oba gear will go come out for the industrial park. I will upload the video soon because I did a broadcast on it. Long road. I mean, long road. Tied by the governor, but never commissioned. Tied by the governor, but never commissioned. Tied by the governor, but never commissioned. That's what I believe in live broadcast. And anything when I record, just know it is. That's what you'll be. I know they carry anything go studio to say, well, go and edit it. No. We show it raw. We do it raw. And you see it raw. That's how we operate. And they pay me when some people they make noise. I say, you guys are okay. You know, they shout. What have been your contribution to the state? What have been your contribution to your people? None. Yes, we know it is the role of the government to do everything. It is their role and their responsibility. But we thank God for the little we have seen so far. Some go say, and our money, is it your money? Are you pay tax? Our money, do you pay tax? I tell you your money. You the pay tax, huh? They don't talk. You know the pay tax. They make noise and let person hear word. My people, now, yeah, I want to talk and reach this afternoon. When I do well, I'll continue to expose evil in the land and the good things the government is also doing. I'll continue to showcase. That one, now my commitment to the good people of Edo State. That one, now my commitment to una, to the showcase the work of the governor of the day. My joy is this: me can never sit down one-on-one. That's my joy. So nobody can accuse me of anything. That's my joy. You don't know me, I don't know. We never sit down. That's my joy. So you don't need to be paid to stand for what is right. You don't need to be paid to stand for what is right. Just do the right thing. Leave the rest. Leave the rest. Now do well, my people. Yeah, Dave Omabude. Yeah, he will try his best. If the way in the work now, or others work like that, where would they now for no day here? That's the truth. If the way in the work now, others work like that, without making noise, where would they now for no day? That's the truth. My people, now do well. Thank you very much for tuning in to this broadcast this afternoon. So let me quickly address some issues. And I talk to those people with the chassis commission one project. You know, see the road, the one with, I beg, let's continue to do the right thing, my brother. Walk with you for Benin, I'll tell you the truth. Walk with the Edo State. 20 years time, you know, if you finish her. 10 years time, you know, if you finish her. You get some village for this Edo will be saying Jesus can no get roadway tie. That's the truth. But the little they have done and they'll continue to play their part. Left for me, I will wish me the allow basic rule for the next 12 years. Left for me, I also make election on your day. Make a basic do the rule they go. Left for me. Even I just ask me, I say me basic do the rule they go. No election, just the rule they go. People meeting go arrange for this state. People go arrange themselves. I'm telling you. Meeting go arrange themselves. Things go arrange. Things go arrange. Thank you very much, Mr. Osas. You've said it all good. Thank you. Landlord and landlord, are they paying levies? No, they're not. Now to the increased rent, but you are not paying anything to government. I bet make government begin to tax all the landlord and landlord for Benin, they pay rent. When I begin now, I want out to the landlord. God bless. I'll address that matter next time, my brother. I'm not to go there. I'll address that matter next time. When I do well, thank you for your prayer. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your care. Edo is moving forward. Whether they like it or not, Edo is moving forward. So my governor, please continue to talk to the people. Be proactive. The things you need to do for the people, continue to do it. It will not cost you much to keep talking to the people. It will not cost you much to continue to hold town hall meeting. It will not cost you much because people want to hear from you. Keep talking to us. Keep all the information you want us to know. Please, sir, continue. Appoint your commissioner. Let them start their job and let us begin to see that things are moving in the state. God bless you and have a blessed day. Thank you.
Abeg, help us share this video and let us know what you think for comment section. If you never subscribe to Dan ARG YouTube, try make you subscribe so that make you for dey hear all the things wey dey happen for Edo State. Make I leave you now with this video, make you help us share am. Thank you for watching Dan ARG YouTube.